In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your website's color palette using site styles in Chrome. To begin, look inside your page preview area and find the floating control tools near the upper right corner. You'll want to click the paintbrush icon, which opens Site Styles. This is the main area where you can control the overall visual appearance of your site, so it's a great place to make broad design changes quickly instead of adjusting elements one by one. Once Site Styles is open, select the Color section from the available options. This area gives you access to the color settings that shape the overall theme of your website. If you're aiming for a more polished and consistent look, this is where that process starts. The Colors panel is designed to help you manage your site's visual identity in a centralized way, which is especially helpful if you want your pages to stay cohesive. Next, click the Edit Palette option. This is the tool that lets you change the 5 core colors that act as the foundation for the rest of your site's color system. Think of these as your base brand colors. They influence how other colors are generated and applied throughout the design, so even small adjustments here can make a big visual difference across the entire site. From there, choose a designer preset palette that fits your brand or paste in your own hex color codes if you already have specific brand colors prepared. Using a preset can be a fast and effective option if you want a professionally balanced color scheme, while custom hex codes give you more precision and control. As you make your selection, keep readability and contrast in mind so your text and background combinations remain easy to view. After you've chosen your palette, close the palette editor. At this point, take a moment to notice what happens. The system automatically updates all 10 generated theme variations based on your selected core colors. That means your section backgrounds, text colors, and grid styling can all refresh together without needing to manually edit each section individually. This can save a lot of time and helps keep the design consistent from page to page. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. That final step applies your updates and keeps your new color styling in place. That's it. You've successfully updated your site's color palette using site styles, and with just a few clicks, you can completely transform the look and feel of your website in a clean, efficient way.